pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Yule Doo. For this you'll need 225 grams of white bread mix, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, 25 grams of Trex or butter, just over 2 tablespoons of currants, glacé cherries and some mixed peel or whatever to make the nose and mouth, 150 ml of tepid water, and some mixed spice, optional. Mix the flour and the sugar. Rubbing the Trex or the butter, whatever you're using, or even lard if you must. Now working up to 150 ml of tepid water to form a soft dough. Turn out onto a floured board and knead for 5 to 10 minutes. Now knead in most of the currants and add the spice. I think this should have gone in with the flour. Divide into 2. Roll out to form 2 9 by 4 inch ovals. That'll be about 1/4 of an inch thick. Now put them on a greased baking tray in a warm room until they've doubled in size. That should take about an hour, hour and a half. The recipe doesn't say anything about covering them in cling film, but that's what I'm going to do. That was the easy part. I have to make it into a people shape. This could all go horribly wrong. Couple of leaps. Like a head. Cut some arms out. How long's the arms? It's going to be very funny. make his legs too long. If you look like this, please call 911 or 999 immediately. The nose. Oh, his eye too close. Oh. And the nose. No, it goes at the top. Nose. Dear, just looks sick. Buttons. Deary, deary me. There we go. If you have any of these symptoms, please call the Department of Tropical Medicine immediately. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes at gas mark 5, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 170 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. I shall rip an arm off. Is it a cake or is it bread? I shall find out. That's bread. It doesn't taste like much. It's okay. Nothing special.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for